Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Learned Senior Counsel for the State of Gujarat submitted that the learned judge has travelled beyond the scope of an inquiry under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and that he had dealt with the matter in such a way that it was almost like passing an order of acquittal. Stop. This was exactly the submission that the learned amicus curiae made the other day, which induced us to entertain this petition directly in this court. Stop. Learned Senior Counsel for the State of Gujarat also submitted that there was no proper application of mind by the learned Sessions Judge to all the facts available, and considering the gravity of the offence, the learned Sessions Judge to all the facts available and considering the gravity of the offence, the circumstances surrounding the transaction and the position occupied by the respondent, it was a fit case for refusing anticipatory bail. Stop. The Sessions Judge has completely ignored the apprehension clearly expressed by the prosecution that the respondent, if granted bail, would be in a position to influence and coerce the witnesses into retracting statements already made and in not disclosing relevant information to the prosecution. Stop. This aspect has been totally ignored by the court while granting bail. Stop. Learned Senior Counsel for the respondent submitted in answer that the learned Sessions Judge has only gone by the parameters drawn for an inquiry into an application under Section 438 of the Code, and the observations made by him are in connection with that inquiry, and it was not correct to characterize the order as almost mounting to an order of acquittal. Stop. Learned Counsel submitted that the extraordinary jurisdiction of this court under Article 136 of the Constitution of India is exercised by this court only based on the circumstances available in a case, and in the case on hand the circumstances available and the materials available did not justify interference by the court. Stop. He also pointed out that subsequent to the order impugned herein, the respondent has been arrested and enlarged on bail pursuant to the order, and he has made an application for regular bail in the concerned court, and it would be appropriate to leave the matter to be decided by that court while entertaining the application under Section 439 of the Code. Stop. We think that in view of the fact that the application for regular bail made by the respondent is pending before the concerned court, it would not be appropriate for us to go into the various aspects projected before us. Stop. All the same, we think that the approach made by the Sessions Court in granting anticipatory bail to the respondent leaves much to be desired. Stop. The apprehension that the respondent is in a position to influence, induce or coerce witnesses to desist from furnishing relevant information to the investigating agency cannot be considered to be an imaginary, and the court ought to have considered this aspect seriously before granting anticipatory bail. Full stop. Over.